Salesforce Industries or Velocity, basically there are different clouds involved in this. So it was like made a package made to cater different industries, and Salesforce later on acquired it. So there are different industries present in it. So first of all is the financial services. So under that you can do like different things, like there's relationship management, there is wealth management. So for example, someone who's investing in different things, so for share market or stocks, they have different portfolios created that can be actually synchronized and managed inside field service lightning in wealth management. And you can do financial planning as well using this cloud. Then there's health cloud. Definitely healthcare management is all there. So for example, we did an implementation where so we all wear smartwatches, right? They track your data, different your heartbeat, and yeah, Shrey is not wearing one.
I took it off.
You took it off.
I'm still wearing one. So basically, it's tracking data. It's tracking your data, that how much your heartbeat is, how much your different whatever it tracks. So
you don't even know what it tracks, and still you're wearing
it. It tracks a lot.
Blood oxygen.
So okay, it was a mistake buying it, but fine.
Just tell me the unit of blood oxygen.
It tracks tracks SpO2.
SpO2 is what we call it.
But unit of oxygen.
Unit of oxygen blood. Do you know what that is? Anybody here? All right, let's go ahead. So there's no point of wearing this.
It has to be. Okay, never mind.
It's more of an accessory at this point.
Exactly.
Which is smart.
Which is smart, yeah. Dumb.
So basically, we kind of synchronized all that data that was collected from this particular device into Health Cloud, so that people can. So if someone's suffering from a certain disease, doctors would already have access to that data, which is of that particular person. So things like that can also be integrated with Health Cloud and managed over there.
You just scratch the top of Health Cloud. It's way more than that. It can help you manage a small clinic as small as 3 people dentistry that you're running, or as big as a 1,000 people hospitals or something like that, where you're taking care of everything from patient onboarding till them dying and everything in between.
Managing the doctors and
everything. Yeah. Then next is manufacturing cloud.
So manufacturing cloud, you can manage your different. So if you are into,
you can manage the production process, supply chain process, and the customer collaboration wherever required in the manufacturing, in the complete manufacturing process.
If you're providing rebates to your the business that you're selling to, if they're non-profit and everything, also those things can be managed. It also closely works with order management as well. So yeah. Manufacturing cloud is another.
And by the way, all of these clouds today that we know as Salesforce Industries. Initially, Salesforce Industries was Velocity, VLO, not VE, right? VLOCITY, which was primarily an app exchange application on top of Salesforce, which later Salesforce acquired as usual and rebranded it as Salesforce Industries. And there were other clouds. So it was only primarily taking care of 4 to 6 clouds, I guess. 4 of the ones. Non-profit was a different thing. It was taking care of communications, consumer goods, financial services, and then this this media cloud, right? These were the 4 major key industries that it was taking care of. And later, when Salesforce acquired Velocity, and by the way, when I say that Velocity was an app exchange application, what that means is, or what that implies is, that Velocity as an app exchange application was built on top of the Salesforce platform. So Velocity.
It's closely connected with the Salesforce.
It's completely built onto the native capabilities of Salesforce, right? It's built on top of the platform. It is not using any other technology. So it was very native to the platform, right? That's what you want to say, right? So it was very native to the platform, and hence all of the other clouds also that they had developed on top of Salesforce by themselves also got under the umbrella of Salesforce Industries, which is what we are discussing over here as probably non-profit thing. And it was earlier an NPSP, a non-profit starter pack, which now they call as non-profit cloud. And some others as well. So Health Cloud was a different thing as well. It was not part of Velocity earlier.
And there's this government cloud, which basically
Takes
can
care
be-
of your vaccines.
So
No,
any
not
gov-
just that. A lot of things.
any government programs and basically citizen-centric services can be managed over there, and it also provides enhanced like compliances. Like there is CJIS, and also there is FedRAMP. So these kind of compliances are also there. So it's more secure than the basic core cloud of Salesforce.
So so see, the thing is, if you're into healthcare industry, if you're into manufacturing industry, if you're into media industry, if you're into telecommunications, you do not have to worry about getting Salesforce and implementing it from the scratch and getting the right partner to do that for you. Salesforce Industries helps you do that very easily by just having more licenses, or more, like, you just have it on top of the sales cloud licenses and everything, and you get a pre-built, very well tested, pre-built application that is still very, very, very much customizable according to the needs and requirements of your business. But you do not have to wait and rely onto your implementation, wait for a long time to get it implemented, first of all, on top of Salesforce, and rely onto the capabilities of your implementation partner to implement it in the right way that your industry needs it. So that's where the Salesforce industry solves the problem of specific industries which can utilize Salesforce capabilities for their industry, but earlier they were unable to do so because they had to go through a lot of back and forth between their implementation partner and their like getting the requirements understood and getting things delivered according to the needs and requirements of them was a challenge, which got solved with the help of Salesforce Industries.